Hi there, my name is Lindsay and I'm a junior at the College of Worcester. I'm here today to talk about some power foods to fill your plate, some healthy foods and benefits of eating these healthy foods. So, one thing that I like to consider is nutritional value in the foods that I eat. The reason why I do this is because there are a variety of benefits that you can feel in your body physically. First off, I've noticed that when I eat healthier, it directly affects my level of concentration in class, or even when I'm studying. So my brain is able to stay more engaged in the learning process, and it helps me to achieve better grades in the end. So that's a really good benefit. Another one is mood. When you eat certain foods that have the vitamin requirements that our body needs, we're able to produce those hormones that help us to actually stay happy. Also, when I eat good foods, it makes me just feel good about myself, which naturally enhances mood because it raises my self-esteem. Another one is endurance. If you eat healthy foods and get those vitamins that you need, it's gonna keep your bones strong, keep your body working the way it needs to. So in everyday tasks like going up the stairs, running sometimes, or lifting stuff to carry around campus, you're going to have more energy to do that. So that way we can do what we need to do and have enough energy to get through the day. So that's why eating healthy and getting nutrition in the foods that we eat is so crucial. Well, as students, a common problem that we have also is being able to eat healthy despite being busy. And I know we like to go for what foods are convenient, but many times these convenient foods aren't necessarily the healthy ones. So a few strategies that I like to do include if I have like 5 or 10 minutes in the morning or between classes, I actually like to look up the menu for the day for the dining hall and see what foods are being offered for meals. That way I know what's going to be there ahead of time and I can actually plan my meals. That way when I get to the cafeteria, I know exactly where I have to go, and that way I won't impulsively just pick up some really unhealthy foods. So that's helped me to keep my head in the game as far as dieting. Another thing is I try to keep the healthy foods close by and in my room, so I'll fill boxes, to-go boxes of fruits and vegetables, and I'll just keep them in my room. That way I know a lot of us are emotional eaters, or we like to eat a lot of food late at night, or we like to snack, but if the only things available to us are these healthy foods, we have no choice but to eat them. So that's another thing I like to do despite being a busy student. Some healthy foods that I typically like to eat include the obvious fruit and vegetables. We definitely need those. I'm a big eater of salads, and a way to make those healthier that some students don't think of is just simply switching from lettuce to spinach, because spinach has like 10 times more nutrients and will help our body work better. So, and plus it tastes pretty good. Another thing that I like to do is I like to make omelets sometimes. Omelets are better alternatives to some foods in the cafeteria. You can fill it up with different things like spinach, peppers, sometimes even tomatoes or olives, and just a little bit of cheese, and it's really good and tasty, and it's better than some of those foods out there. Another thing that I like to eat frequently is low-fat yogurt. It's tasty and it's good for you, and you can make it even better for you by sometimes adding some sort of granola into it and even maybe throwing in some fruit, and then you have yourself a little parfait and it's all good for you. So those are some foods that I like to eat to stay healthy. And like I said before, there are many benefits of eating these nutritious foods, like raising your self-esteem by eating good and feeling good physiologically, and then just increasing your energy in general, which as a whole affects your life positively, and that's all the benefits that I can think of. So that's it for today, but thank you for listening. Bye.